New to LEGO Fortnite? Here's how to build a campfire in under a minute. First, make sure you're in survival mode and have unlocked the utility tab in your build menu. You will need 2 wood and 1 torch. Chop trees and pick up vines to collect them. Torches can be created from the crafting bench using 5 vines and any wood. Now, open the build menu, head to the utility section and select the campfire. Place it anywhere in your base or nearby, then hold your build button to finish construction. Once built, interact with the campfire to extinguish it or to light it up. It restores health and keeps you warm at night. Use it before or after battles to quickly heal without using up your food. And that's it. That's the easiest way to build your campfire. Follow me for more Fortnite LEGO tips.